I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and data because intermittent display issues can worsen during tests. Charge above 50% and backup photos. Once done, force restart by holding power for 10 seconds to clear transient glitches. Then enter safe mode. Press power, long press power off, and tap reboot to safe mode. This disables third-party apps so you can tell if the green line is software-related versus hardware, and it prepares the phone for the next diagnostic steps. In safe mode, watch the display. If the green line disappears, you're likely facing a software conflict. Once done, run the built-in Pixel Diagnostics or a display test app to confirm pixel behavior. If the line vanishes, uninstall any recently installed or updated apps and clear the system cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files. Make sure to reboot after each change and recheck. If the line returns, you've narrowed it toward hardware, so prepare for the final resolution steps. If software fixes fail, perform a factory reset only after a full backup, because this rules out lingering system corruption. Once done, if the green line persists, schedule service with Google Repair or an authorized technician since the issue is likely a damaged display or connector. Make sure to check warranty status and document the problem with photos and timestamps. If repair staff can't reproduce it, insist on escalation and keep a device log. That troubleshooting record often speeds up warranty decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.